Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Shahin Alam and today I would like to welcome you to the testing technique for my final year project. So the title of this project is Increasing User Engagement by Gamifying the User Profile section of Trusted Company's website. So in this project we are collaborating with one of the most renowned online review platform, Trusted Company. So this is the user profile looks like before implementing gamification, where basically they have very little information. After implementing the gamification in this profile section of Trusted Company, the profile looks like this, where a user has total points and current badge, also the next badge, and also the progress bar. So this user current level is trusted reviewer. So if he wins 11 more points, then he will go to next level. So there are two major functionalities which to be tested in this project. So the first functionality is getting points by writing more reviews in Trusted Company's website, and the risk level is very high. The second one is earning badge by writing more reviews in Trusted Company's website, and the risk level for this one is also high. So let's go to the test design specification. So in this project I have used quite a lot of test design specification, but I will highlight the three major ones. So the first one is equivalence partitioning, where we have the valid and invalid partition. The invalid partitions are the current point is less than 0 and the current point is greater than 478 4748364. So this is a very large number, where the valid points could be between 0 and 4748368. The next test design specification is boundary value analysis, where we also have the valid and invalid partition. So any negative number up to -1 is invalid. Besides 4748648, from there all the way to any positive integer value will be considered as invalid, and any number in between is valid. So let's go to the state transition diagram. So when a user will register, he will be getting 0 points, so that is his state. So once he writes a review, then his status will be review written, and there will be a hook called which is calculate points. So this one will calculate the current points, then the state will be earned points. So from there, if user writes more reviews, then the status will be review written, and at the same time from there it will calculate the points. So that's how it will end basically. So let's move on to test case specification. Here we have the test ID, then related feature ID, and the objective of this test case specification is calculate and display points for writing reviews. So this test case covered quite a lot of test items actually. So here the input is points, current points, and the expected result is after writing reviews, user will be earned the points between 0 and 4748368. And the special procedural requirements is authentication, so user must be authenticated. Then let's move on to test procedure specification. So the objective of this test procedure specification is it will calculate and display points for writing reviews. So there are few test cases to be executed for this specification. So let's see the setup flow. First, the user needs to log in with the system and then need to search for a website on where they will write review. Then user will submit the review with all the valid input data, and then the system will calculate and display the points. So after all of those flow is done, then user will wrap up the session by logging out from the system. So here we have the test incident report, which is conducted by myself, and the summary of this incident report is user can log into the system and write valid or invalid reviews, and user can earn points. So the input is value review data as a single object, which includes rating, title and a description. And the expected result for this input is, for valid review user will get points, for invalid reviews user will get error message, and the actual result is same as expected. So there was no anomalies. Okay, so the procedure to produce this incident is user will log in and write review on the system, view points, or can see error message. So the test environment was, we have used the hardware Lenovo Ultrabook Core i5, and the RAM is 8 GB, and the standard browser is Google Chrome, and the operating system is Linux. So that's all from me. Thank you everyone for listening to me and watching this video.